You get an email. Someone tried to reset your password. You click the link, type in your credentials, and nothing happens. Congrats, you just got phished. And the scary part, setting this up is stupid easy. I even built a tool that automates the whole thing so you can try it out yourself. But first, what actually is phishing? It's when an attacker pretends to be someone you trust, like your bank, a coworker, or in this case, Instagram. They send you a fake login page, you type in your password, they save it. That's it. That's the whole attack. Quick disclaimer. This is for educational purposes only. Don't use it on real people. Cool? Let's begin. This is a tool right here. It's called Blackeye. And no, I'm not saying I made Blackeye. Not even close. I was literally a kid when this tool got created. And all the original creators are mentioned right here in the credits. But I did add the spear phishing module right here. An email crafter that has 4 email templates. Password reset, security alert, shared document, and invoice. It sends each emails through Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any SMTP server, and it's all done on the terminal. You don't have to switch your tabs or any extra stuff. And there's 3 tunnel options: Cloudflare, ngrok, or just plain localhost. And you don't have to be worried if you don't have Cloudflare's tunnel installed. It fetches the Cloudflare binary automatically. And the installation is super simple. You just git clone the repository, go inside the folder, and then to use it, you just run the main file, bash blackeye.sh. That's it. And of course, I'm going to be having the GitHub repository link down below. And while you're at it, join the Discord and subscribe. And I'm not going to install it because I already have it right here in my terminal. You can see Blackeye. I'm inside it. I'm going to list of files. Right here we have it. Blackeye.sh, readme, sites, and templates. But as you can see, I don't have the Cloudflare installed. I'm going to be having the script do that. And to run it, it's super simple. You just do bash blackeye.sh. That's it. And we run it. And here we see a bunch of options, a bunch of phishing pages we can launch. From Instagram, Microsoft, Steam, till InstaFool to even custom. And I can type custom, for example. It asks you if you want to select a folder name. We don't have one. We're just going to continue. Let's just select Instagram, for example. Number 1. Now we select the tunnel method. Cloudflare, ngrok, or localhost. And before I show you Cloudflare, let me just show you localhost first. So it's faster setup. It starts the PHP server and super fast. Right here, we see it. Target Instagram, status ready, and then the URL right here. I can right click and open the link. And right here we have it, the one-to-one Instagram phishing page. All the buttons that work. When we press, for example, Apple, we get redirected to Apple. For example, support, we get redirected to help.instagram.com. Now, anything we type in these input fields right here will get harvested and sent back to our terminal. And here we have it. New visitor, it has gotten an IP of 1 visitor, us. And now anything we type here, let's type who am I tank, for example, and the password, and we go back. We get redirected first, we get redirected to Instagram.com, so it seems legit. And then we go back, account, who am I tank, password. We got it. When we go back once again, there's one slight problem in the IP right here, 192.167.0.0.1 and port 3333. This is our localhost IP. I can open a new tab and show you guys. Make it bigger, IPA. And the first network interface, here we see it. Hello, loopback 127.0.0.1. Here we have the IP. This uses the machine to talk to itself. So in this case, only we can see this phishing page. And when we send this to anybody, they won't be able to see it. Only we can see it, only our machine. But as I said before, we can use Cloudflare tunnel. So anyone can reach our phishing site from anywhere in the world. Let's just stop this. Let's just clear this up. Let's just run the script again. And now here we choose 01 again for Instagram, and then now we choose Cloudflare instead of localhost. We press 1, and it starts the PHP server, and it realizes that we don't have Cloudflare, and it starts downloading it by itself. And here we see it. It downloaded Cloudflare, it started the Cloudflare tunnel, target Instagram, status ready, and here we have the URL. Some random words, and then try cloudflare.com. Let's right click and open the link. And here we have it, our Instagram phishing page again, but now it's being tunneled through trycloudflare.com. And when we go back to our terminal, here we have it, new visitor, the IP, the country, Netherlands. I'm not from Netherlands, I'm just using a VPN right now. But this tells us that it's accessible online right now. Anyone with internet access can access our phishing page. We can get their IP and whatever they type into the input fields. And I'm going to try that right now with my phone to show you that it's accessible from anywhere. And right here I have it typed in, and keep looking at the terminal. As soon as I hit go, we're going to get the IP, where they're from, ISP, organization, and everything. I press go, and right here we got it. Their IP, where they're from, country, Netherlands. Again, I'm not from Netherlands, I'm just using a VPN. And I'm going to be typing in some credentials. Anything, for example, who am I tank, then password, I'm going to send it. And then I got it. Who am I tank, and then password, I misspelled it, but yeah. I'm going to go on my PC again, I'm going to type the same credentials. Let's capture them from my PC again, who am I tank, password, we press enter. We go back, we got it here again. And then we press Control C to cancel it. We get a summary, runtime, 25 minutes, visitor 3, and we got 2 credentials. And yeah, this is cool, but how do we actually get the victim to click on this link? This is where social engineering comes in. This is where the spear phishing module I talked about earlier comes to play. Let me show you guys. Let's launch up the script again, bash blackeye.sh. And here we have the phishing pages again, a bit lower than that. Here we have E, spearfish email crafter. But first, what actually is spear phishing? You have probably gotten an email or an SMS before telling you there's been an amount charged on your card or your account has been compromised. In most cases, that was a mass phishing attack, where an attacker has an email list and just sends a generic email to thousands of people. In our case, spear phishing is the opposite of that. We craft an email specifically for one individual and we send it only to them. Let's see. So we select spearfish email crafter, E. Here, email account setup. Now we need to set up our email. We have a bunch of options. We're going to be using Gmail app password. We click Gmail, your email address. I'm going to type in my email address. After you type in your email address, it's going to ask you for the app password. This is not your actual Gmail password. This is your app password. Head on over to your browser, search up Google app password, and then head on over to app password and create one. And here it says the explanation. A Google app password is the 16-digit code that allows non-Google apps or devices to access your Google account. This is what we need for the tool. I'm going to go ahead and paste in my app password, hit enter. Now here, display sender name. This is the name that the victim sees when they get your email. I'm going to type in hacker, hit enter. Now save SMTP credentials. If you don't want to type in your email and password every time you use this tool, you can click yes and it will be saved. I'm going to type no, I don't have to save it. Now you're testing SMTP connection. Here you should have gotten an email that looks something like this as a test connection to see if it got successfully connected. If you got it, you're good. Now target details, we need to type in our target email first. I'm going to use my Proton email, whoamiTang@proton.me, hit enter. Target name, whoamiTang. Company platform they know, Instagram. This is social engineering options if you want to sound more legit. Fourth, phishing URL. Now we need to open another tab to start the phishing URL. Again, we do bash blackeye.sh, choose an Instagram, tunnel method Cloudflare. After it's started, we copy the URL right here and we leave this tab open. And then we paste in another tab, press enter. Now, step 5, delivery. We can send a single one, send as a bulk, or save it as a draft and exit and send it later. We're going to send it right now, send it now. Sending to whoamiTang@proton.me, and I reset it. It got sent, and now we check our inbox. And now in our inbox, we see one new email from hacker, important, security notice, Instagram. Let's open it. Password reset required. Hi, whoamiTang. We detect the unusual activity on your Instagram account and temporarily locked access for your security. To restore access, please reset your password using the secure link below. The link expires in 2 hours, giving them time pressure. Now let's reset the password. Let's click reset password, confirm open. And here we are on the Instagram phishing page we just made. Let's type in some credentials like a normal user. For example, whoamiTang, password. We press login. And now back in our terminal, right here we got it. A new visitor with this IP from Singapore. And if you haven't noticed till now, I'm using a VPN. I'm not actually from Singapore. And we got the credentials, account, whoamiTang, and password. Now, how do you protect yourself against this type of attacks? My number one tip is verify before you click anything. Take everything you read online with a pinch of salt, because anyone can write a nice professional email through AI. In today's world, hardly anything is handwritten anymore. A legitimate company will not time pressure you to do anything irrational, like sending money, resetting your password, or giving your credentials away. With that being said, if you want to learn hacking and get some hands-on practice, I launched a free hacking lab on my Discord for beginners. With one command, you get your own isolated Linux container, Linux server, ready for you to hack. See you there.